reduced. Welcome to Julian's Auto Showcase Virtual Online Tour. We present to you this 2009 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This is a 10. Original 10,000 miles. LT1 engine. Manual transmission. This one-owner vehicle has been Carfax certified. The detailed vehicle history report shows this well-cared-for vehicle was not involved in any accidents, is actual mileage, and carries their buyback guarantee. Financing for everyone. Good credit, bad credit, or no credit. Call or come by today. Located at 6404 US Highway 19, Newport Richey, Pasco, Florida, 34652. This vehicle will not last long at this price. Come in today for a test drive. Thanks for looking, and we look forward to doing business with you.